Hello and welcome to my channel Wonders of Price Action. This is the daily chart of Euro USD. Now Euro USD has broken to the upward and has continued its bullish trend. Now this was the high of the market and this was the low of the market. This low was already broken on this day. This was high and this high was broken to the upward here. And after breaking, the retest has also been completed. Here the retest was completed. This was the retest after breaking out. This was the high, this was low, and high was broken here, retest was done here, and now it is going upward. But now it won't come all the way back to retest this level, but it is high probability that it will come back to the 4-hour level and retest it. Now this is the 4-hour chart, and 4-hour level I am putting the now 4-hour level. Now 4-hour level, let me put the horizontal line at the 4-hour retest. This is the 4-hour retest I expect to be done. Retest of the 4-hour is expected here. Now let me put the text. This is remaining retest. This is breakout has been done. Now let me, sorry for this, actually I am very tired. I have been analyzing throughout the day, but I wanted to make this video today because I have also analyzed gold also, and maybe that analyze will be coming within some hours before FOMC, because gold has also broken to the upward. So this is what that I wanted to share with you. But again we are coming back to our this analysis, and please like this video and subscribe my channel and share my video with others, and let me know in the comments what do you think of. So I hope you will like this video, and also like that video of the gold that will be coming in few hours. And gold is also bullish and has broken to the upward. I will try my best to analyze. I have analyzed, but I will try my best to that video also. So coming back to this analysis, now remaining retest. This is the 4-hour. Which one? Now this is the remaining, because it won't come all the way back to retest the daily level, but the currencies go up and down, then take some root. Now what is being done here? I am really, I don't know what you have seen. I think it's almost clear for you that now this is still, this is the 4-hour, this is the wick, this red candle, bearish candle, this is the support now, 4-hour support. Which one is about? Now this is exactly the wick. So this is expected to come and retest this, and then Let us go to the daily market and we'll go upward, and let me put the bush, and after retesting this level go all the way to upward to the next resistance. Thanks for watching. Bye for now. I'll be coming in the next video with another analysis.